Hi guys, let me show you 5-minute warm-up segment that you can do if you plan on having very intensive type of water workout. You're probably gonna warm up very quickly, usually it takes a couple moments, but this warm-up is without equipment, so always remember, start with no equipment, and then if you plan on using aqua dumbbells or noodles, that's fine. But those 5 minutes will get you ready for all of it, because we're gonna do some wrist moves, some warm-up for ankles, and I promise your workout will be so much more effective if you begin the right way. So let's begin with aqua jogging, okay? And we're gonna pay attention to our feet. Rolling those feet down slowly. You begin with your toe and then you push it down. So your heel is touching the bottom last. Let's open up those arms, push those palms back to invisible wall and start turning around slowly. High knees going on, high knee skip. Sometimes it takes a few moments for us to get comfortable with water temperature, and those above water moves are so helpful. We're gonna turn around the other way. Same leg moves. Everyone is waking up here in Dominican Republic. So it's gonna be a little noisy, but that's fine. Real life. Okay, now the next exercise, we're gonna move arms. And we're gonna go 4 times slower and 8 times faster. And a little faster. Slower for 4. Fast. And a little bit faster, back to the center. Yes. Let's now kick forward. Point your toe, jump over, light and easy. Woo. Wrist warm up, pinch, open, squeeze and open. There's a bunch of muscles here that we have to warm up, guys, as well. Google it. You'll be surprised how many. Use your core strength. We're gonna turn around just a little bit to the right. I'm still pinching it. And to the left. Getting warmer. Now we want more of the wrist moves. So we're gonna jog out, out, in. That's what our feet will do. And with arms, we're kind of gonna circle them out, come back in, cross it over. I'm gonna do the first one above the surface so you could see it better. Here we go. Cross it over. Okay, same in the water. Let's add a little bit of movement now. We're gonna move forward, splashing water back and out. And now heading backward, just reverse those arm moves. If you have a little bit more space, go as far as you want to. And now reverse. This is great for back muscles, and we need to warm those up as well. And now heading back. If you need to alternate, that's okay too. And I'm gonna show you one more option. You can keep your hands in the water and reverse them. If for any reason moving arms up is uncomfortable, or maybe you have some shoulder issue, then you still can do something, right? Just modify. Or use them all. Woo. It's getting nice and warm, and the sun is waking up as well. I love it. Water and sun. That's the best blend ever. And margarita. Let's roll those shoulders back. We guys gonna finish this warm up with a couple side to side kicks, okay? Pinching movement back in the game. Let's begin with doubles. Kick and kick. You can shake those legs a little bit. It's okay if your kicks are lower first. Eventually, you'll feel that it actually feels better and more natural to kick higher when your muscles are warmer. And we're gonna speed it up. We're gonna level those kicks. Jump over. Keep bringing your heel down now every single time. You go toe to heel again, remember? Keep going. Now draw a circle on the water with your hands. Keep kicking. Nice, pretty circle. Now reverse that circle. Keep going. Reverse that circle and spin around. Your right shoulder moves back. Keep going. Follow me. Keep going. Keep going. Reverse that circle and spin to your other side. All right. Woo. That feels good. And that feels like we are ready for the real workout.